Record your unboxing. Try taking photos and videos from different angles. Take everything out of the box. Open the toolbox and take out all of the tools inside. These are all the tools and components you will use to assemble your bicycle. Remove the packaging materials from the bike. Please install the kickstand part first. Lower the kickstand and grab the M4 Allen key to install the handlebar. Adjust the handlebar and tighten the 4 screws by the orders shown on the video with the M4 Allen key. Please read the warning signs before installing the front wheel. Take off the brake caliper spacer from the brake caliper. Grab the M6 Allen key to remove the through axle, as it will be necessary for installing the front wheel. Install the front wheel. Align the brake rotor with the brake caliper. Then secure the through axle using the M6 Allen key. Grab the M5 Allen key to loosen and then tighten the front brake screws. Remove the reserve screw from the handlebar stem. Use the M4 Allen key along with the mounting screw to install the front light onto the handlebar. Adjust the position of the front light and tighten the screw. Connect the cables from the light to the bike. Grab the M2.5 Allen key to remove the screws on both sides of the display. Install the display onto the handlebar. Secure the display using the previously removed screws and then adjust the angle to one that fits you. Connect the display cable to the bike via the same color tips. Make sure the color of the cable tips match. Wrap the cables with the protective cover provided in the toolkit box. Use a screwdriver to secure the bell and reflector. Use the screwdriver to attach the rear reflector to the seat post. Use the M6 Allen key to install the pedals. The left pedal needs to be tightened counterclockwise. The right pedal needs to be tightened clockwise. Check the tires before your rides. Inflate or deflate the tires to the appropriate PSI rating before you ride. To remove your battery, unlock with the provided key. Press and hold the power button to ensure the battery is functioning properly. To install the battery, press until you hear a click. You can use the mounting provided in the toolkit to install the charger on the wall. When charging, the light indicates the charging status. Press the button to see the remaining battery life. Make sure that the tires and handlebar stem are perpendicular before riding. Ensure the handlebar, stem, and fork are locked tightly. You can lift the front wheel like so to check the front brakes. Squeeze the rear brake to check if the rear brake light works. Hold the power button to turn the power on or off. Press the plus or minus buttons to switch pedal assist levels. Hold the plus button to turn the headlight on or off. Press the power button to switch between the 3 different riding modes. Hold the minus button to activate walk mode. Hold the menu button, select Connect to App. Then scan the QR code with your phone to the bike to the app. Select Find My in the menu to pair it to your iPhone. Follow the steps in the video to pair your bike on your iPhone's Find My app. This USB charging port can be used to charge your devices. Now you're ready to ride. Please be safe and enjoy.